Welcome back to Nathan's Bikeapedia. Today we will be comparing two bikes to see what you get for spending a little more, and furthermore, if you should get it. Looking at some giant hybrid city bikes, you will of course come across the giant Escape 3 series. In the Escape 3 series, there are two bikes, the Escape 3 and the Escape 3 Comfort. The Comfort is just $40 more than the regular Escape 3, so it will be interesting to see what are you getting when you pay for those extra hard-earned cash. Today we will find out. Before we start comparing parts, we should be reviewing what the bikes are meant to be used for. The Giant Escape lets you ride any road or path in comfort and style. It is a great choice for commuting, fitness, riding, or just fun. This versatile all-rounder bike is designed with flat handlebars and an upright position, which gives you confident, shorty feel that is suitable for city streets and country roads. As for some more reference, these bikes are more comparable to the FX series from Czech. I have made a video on this, so after this video, I suggest clicking out the video. The link to that will be in the description below or the little eye in the top right hand corner. I usually start with the frame, but the frame is actually the exact same between both bikes. Other components shared between these bikes are the fork, saddle, pedals, most of the drivetrain, and the wheels. Because they are all shared between the two bikes, I will not go into too much detail about them. One thing that isn't shared between the bikes are the handlebars. The Escape comes with relatively flat handlebars with little rise, while the Comfort comes with a bar that sweeps back and up for better body position while riding. The stems on the two bikes are also very interesting. The cheaper Escape comes with the stronger system, threadless stem, while the Comfort comes with the quill stem. Threadless stems are stronger and more durable, yet the quill stem on the Comfort can be adjusted to fit different sizes of people. Threadless stems are also easier to upgrade. Moving to the group sets, you will see a lot of similar parts. The shifters, both derailleurs, and the brakes and brake levers, the chain, the freewheel, and the crankset, and the bottom bracket. Let me rephrase this. Basically, all the drivetrain is the same between the two bikes, but there are a few subtle differences that you probably won't notice. The wheels are the same thing. They're a little bit different, but you shouldn't feel a thing. The tires, on the other hand, go from the SX3 to the SX2 as you go from the Escape to the Escape Comfort. But this has to be the best, most unique difference. As part of the Comfort package, Giant includes a suspension seat post to absorb all the bumps on the streets. This short travel mix between a dropper post and a shock should make this ride extra smooth. I usually go to the chart, but the point of this video isn't related to see which one has better parts. The point of this video is to see which bike you should get. The point of this video is to see if you should spend the extra $40. Well, to answer that question, we have to see what $40 gets you. For an extra $40, you get more comfortable handlebars, a stem that is adjustable, a seat post that absorbs the bumps of the road, which is a huge, very unique plus, and overall non-generic parts. Yet you do lose the strength of the stem and headset, and you don't get as good of tires too. So is the $40 worth it? I think yes. As I just mentioned, there is so much more to be offered for just $40 that I don't think you can turn it down. Comment below if you agree. While you're down there, you might as well please like, share, and subscribe. Also be sure to check the playlist down below to see all my other bike comparison videos I've done. Most importantly though, have the best day ever.